Hello and welcome. Today we're doing an embodiment practice to bring you into the present moment, settle your mind, and ground your emotions. So I invite you to a comfortable seated position and we will begin this. Begin first with your eyes, looking around your environment. Your eyes gazing above, beside, in front of you. This is going to bring awareness to what is in this moment right now, because that's what's most important. So working with your eyes for the upper half of your body, and then we're going to work with the lower half of your body by beginning to rock forward and backward. This is rooting us into the moment. It's bringing awareness to what is beneath you, what is supporting you. Continue gently gazing with your eyes, rocking forward and backward. Maybe verbalizing, I am here, I am in this moment. So I want you to work with your hands now. We're going to cultivate presence, putting your hands out in front of you and very slowly moving them out and then bringing them back in. Moving them out very slowly, bringing them in very slow. And this is kind of the middle section that we're working with. Your hands are aspects of the body which craft reality, which can take, can let go, can pull in and wield, and can also slowly and gently expand to contain and hold more. So just very slowly bringing awareness to your hands. You can close your eyes if you want to and experience this from within. Notice if you do feel any energy cultivating in this space. Focus on your fingertips, your palms, your wrist, your forearms, and moving very slowly out and in. Maybe opening your eyes and looking at your hands. And gently moving your hands up to your chest, up to your throat, rocking forward and backward very slowly. And then notice how your body feels in space by gently moving in a circular motion. Open your eyes, notice what's in front of you, what is above you, what is beneath you. And again, verbalizing, I am here, I am present. Taking a nice gentle inhale and then a very mindful, slow exhale. Just control your breathing. So about one more minute and we're going to pay attention to your body. Placing one hand on your belly, one hand on your back, and then slowly moving your hands to both of your sides where your hips are. And then alternating the other hand on your belly and the other hand on your back. Bringing your hand up to your chest, your other hand up to your shoulder. Just playing with sensation and touch. Maybe slowly moving your hands together and seeing how they interact together. Placing them in the sky. And again, we're just noticing how your body is right now. So I invite you to continue being in this space, continue exploring and playing and seeing how you want to move with the current energies that are here. Now I thank you so much for being present with me today, for choosing presence, for choosing mindfulness, and I invite you to always come back to this practice for yourself. Whenever you're feeling anxious, whenever you're feeling overwhelmed, this is always here for you, and it's within you that you can cultivate it for yourself. So just know that. I'll see you in the next video.